Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya.
What did I tell you when I said the Mayuas are not playing with anyone? We are supporting them all the way. Union buildings tomorrow, if I could. Beings of Party inside. Yeah, they are Badal, SAPC 3. Now you see as in that. I'm just like, finally, that's how it must go. Singaphela phela abantu. Sidlala abantu 12 years, guys. I'm saying joke on it. You playing. 12 years is going to be on the 26th of October. Sizodlala abantu. Oh, ngeke usikhathela manga. Ukininda is like an ant, like I said. He's small, ncane kuno Fanny Masemolo, but Fanny Masemolo must come out and go to jail and go to court. No, naye akahamba ye phakathi inside namanga. Cold case unit. My foot. What did I tell you yesterday about the Mayuas? I said sebefikile eGauteng. They're here. So support her like you've never seen. Guys, let's make noise. Yeah, like that guy who said, "Lo Munya who's coming out to the match." And then another thing, the reporter doesn't even know the dates because really he didn't do his research, and he doesn't care about Umkhaya Senzomeyu. Senzomeyu didn't pass on in 2012, guys. Please. Kelly and his entourage there. Everyone who was in the house must actually be arrested.
And Calvin, it's been more than a decade now since this family has been waiting for justice. I suppose they're using whatever they can to ensure that the story remains, at the very least, in the consciousness of South Africans.
Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to our SABC viewers at home. 14 years, Ayanda, to be exact. That is when Senzo Meyiwa died. Remember, he died in 2012. He was shot when he was visiting his then girlfriend, the popular singer Kelly Khumalo, and there were people who were arrested, including Bongani Ndanzi, and that trial is underway at the Pretoria High Court. But the family is not happy about what is happening. They want wheels of justice to move more quicker. But one would ask, Ayanda, as to where exactly is the problem? Why such a high-profile case would drag for this long? Let me introduce a law expert by the name of Mametlo Sibei, who will be able to explain to us. Mr. Sibei, thank you very much for your time. This issue has been going on for a very long time. Where do you think the problem is? Let us start with the recusal of the former judge.
Well, I mean, the family has been failed at all levels. Firstly, we have got to go back. The police took time with the investigations. Took years before the matter was brought to trial. The matter at the trial, in my view, was mismanaged by the previous, judge, Chifua Maimela, who allowed the kind of theatrics that are simply a gross violation of the decorum, the procedures, and the integrity of the court process, advocate for theatrics and all of that. Now the current judge is facing recusal. And I think you know that the recusal of the previous judge, Chifua, Maimela, took also cost time, right? Because a new judge comes in and the process, more or less, start from afresh. We are now having the current judge who just basically made mockery of that, of that court, of the case itself, with his remarks about, the defense lawyer, about the president, that were unrelated, about racially charged remarks about the black lawyers. So the family has every right to be frustrated, and this is a classical textbook case of, a case, of a justice delayed is a justice denied. From 2014, we are in what? 2026? In May? And it doesn't seem that justice is within sight.
You are saying to me that you believe that the state do have a strong case, but where is the problem?
Well, it's just the conduct of the whole process. The prosecution itself, right? the fact that it allowed some of the things to happen, the theatrics I've referred to, right? Because remember, as a dominant party in this litigation, they are the one that brought the matter. When the defense also conducts itself in a manner that, for instance, Tefu and others were just making mockery of that case, they should have basically brought an action to bring that to an end, to also make sure that there's a discipline, there's a decorum, but also the case proceed smoothly as it ought to have. The same thing applies to the presiding judges. They are the people responsible for directing the proceedings, to make sure that they're expedited, to make sure that the matter is all these unnecessary delays that have now dragged for 12 years, all of them are vetted as far as possible, and that the matter is brought to, a quick resolution, if you like.
I know there are accused who were arrested, including Mapisa, Mncube, and Danzi, but there are those who are saying that those who were inside that house in Vosloorus, including the popular singer, should have been questioned.
Well, I mean, remember that was actually made by the original, prosecutor, that they think this was, a hide hit, right? Ever since that time, like many people, I mean, I'm a Paris fan. For that reason, I've been following the matter, right? I've been waiting for evidence. One, the motivation for Kelly to say, why does, she kiss the father of a child? From what I got, they have a child together. What is the motivation? I'm not hearing that. The state has not brought any case. And I'm always very, skeptical about particularly the treatment of women who live by their rules. I mean, we know we're living in a patriarchal society, and for hundreds of years of witch trials where women that simply don't comply with societal rules and norms, they are ostracized. So I'm a little bit, skeptical. Nonetheless, I'm open, and I'm saying that the state, if there is a case to be answered, the state must bring that case. And so far, I haven't had any, except the original prosecution saying this looked like a hard hit, and they must be questioned. And I think they were questioned from what I can see, but nothing came of those investigations.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sibei.
Pleasure.
That was Mamoetlo Sibei, a law expert. He teaches law at the University of South Africa. He's engaging with SABC News about a case that has been dragging for years, the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, the former Bafana in Orlando Pirates, a goalkeeper, saying that the recusal of the judge, Chihuma Maumele, was also the part or the reason why this case has to drag him. And what happened in court is some of the issues that Mr. Sibei is talking about. So tomorrow, as SABC News Ayanda will be here once again with the family, with the supporters of Orlando Pirates and the South Africans who will be marching here to the Union Building, the capital city of South Africa, to hand over a memorandum of grievances so that maybe they want this case, Ayanda, to the wheels of justice rather to move more faster. Back to you in studio, Ayanda.
Right, Kelvin Dludla, live to us there.